guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia, and today I am coming your way with another amazing butter. So I couldn't upload a video last week because of some challenges, and this week I am coming your way with what I promised you last week: moringa butter. So we are doing this with our fresh moringa. I am going to be drying some for another video. I'll show you how to use the dry one later, but right now we are using the fresh one. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more DIY authentic organic hair videos, and also click on the notification button so you don't miss any video from me. If you're already a G, please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment down in the comment section so I can interact with you. Let me know which products you are doing, which of my products you've done and you've seen a lot of improvement in your hair growth, or which of my hair tips you follow and you've seen a lot of improvement. Let me know down in the comment section. If you are new, please don't forget to try one of my DIYs and come and tell me how you feel about them. So to do your moringa butter, all you have to do is wash your moringa leaves and blend it into paste. So in blending, you have to add some water, then blend it into paste and pour it in your pot, and add some drops of sunflower oil. I like using sunflower oil because when you put it on fire, it still will kill the ingredient there, things your hair needs from sunflower to grow. So I love using sunflower instead of coconut or castor oil, because when you heat it or when you put it on fire, all those ingredients, all those nutrients that your hair needs from them are going to die. So I use sunflower. I advise you to use sunflower whenever you are doing something and you are going to do it on fire for your hair. Hot oil treatment or any other oil that you're going to do and you will do it on heat, use sunflower. So all we are doing right now is doing our moringa oil. I have a complete video on how to do moringa oil. That's why I didn't give a lot of details on this one. If I will leave that as a cut on this video or in the description box, so you can check it out and learn how to do your own moringa oil. So from there, we are just going to sieve our moringa oil, leave it to cool down, then sieve it into any bowl that you want, any container, and then we go on to the next process. Like I said earlier, if you are new, you should check on how to do this moringa oil because it is very good for your hair. Moringa oil is one of the ancient hair oil that can promote your hair growth, can stop breakage, can kill dandruff, and it's very good for breakage. Very good. If your hair breaks a lot, you should be using moringa oil frequently. You should be using neem oil frequently, and I have a video on neem oil also on my channel. You should check it out and learn how to do your own neem oil, how to do your own coconut oil. I have all this on my channel and I'm not going to talk. If you haven't watched, you can pause this one, go and watch it and come back and continue this one, or watch it after this. So guys, all we are doing right now is sieving our oil. We are sieving the chaff from the oil. So the oil is dark green. It was raining, so I was using light. I don't have the ring light. I was using just the normal bulb light, and it's showing as dark, but it is dark green. After everything, you realize that it's really dark green. And the next thing we are going to do, I want us to add a touch of coconut oil or a touch of coconut. So the next thing we are going to do is cut our coconut. We are going to be doing everything fresh. So I'm just going to cut our coconut, and this coconut, when I break it, there's no water inside. Coconut water, it doesn't have any coconut water, so I just cut it like that, then blend it. And like I said earlier too, I have a video on how to do your cold pressed coconut oil and how to do the other method too. No, the non-cold press, I guess, if there's something like that. So all we are going to do is blend our coconut. And guys, I have to chip in these things because they are all here. Coconut milk is also very good for your hair. If your hair is dry and you've been suffering with dryness, just get some coconut milk. I said after blending the milk, I mean after blending the coconut, the water that you separate from the chaff, that's white water. Yes, that is the milk. The water you are going to see, this one is the milk. Get it, add some ginger and any other product, any rosemary or clove to it, blend it and use it as your pre-poo. It works magic, guy. It really works magic. So all we are going to do is sieve our coconut, the chaff from the milk, and use the milk for our next step. So there are actually two ways of doing this, but I don't know why I chose this long method anyway in this video. The shorter one is you can add the coconut milk to your blended moringa paste before you put it on fire, and at the end of the day you just have one oil. The coconut is inside already and the moringa is also ready. But because I don't know, I cannot explain why I choose to use this long process, but I'm using it already. But if you are doing it, I prefer you add the milk like this to the paste we blended first before you put it on fire and cook everything together. Then you sieve it, then you have your coconut or your moringa oil with a touch of coconut oil. And if you have coconut oil already, it is fine, you can just add it to it. But then I didn't have coconut oil. The one I did the last time, I've used it to do another hair product, so I don't have any other coconut oil. That is why I am doing another coconut oil. As we are waiting for our coconut water to turn into milk, let me tell you some benefits of the butter we are doing. So this butter contains coconut, moringa leaves, sunflower and shea butter. And hearing all these things are ancient proven products for growing hair. There's no hair product without shea butter inside. Listen to me, there's no hair product without shea butter inside. That should tell you that shea butter is very good for your hair. Coconut oil is all over social media, it's all over hair products, it's all over hair salon. People are selling it at a very high price. That should tell you what coconut oil should do to your hair. It prevents dandruff, it prevents itching, it helps to seal in moisture into your hair. If your hair is too rough, it's too dry, you can just spray water and use coconut oil on your hair and you are good to go. You can just use coconut milk to wash your hair and you are good to go. Coconut is actually the itch that never goes away. It's always there. Coconut oil is always there. Most of your shampoos are made with coconut milk and other ingredients, and coconut milk is about 50% inside. And moringa is one of the ancient products for grooming hair, but in Africa I don't know why we haven't really learned about this earlier, but now that is coming, we have product on moringa, but not that much. That should tell you how much moringa is good for your hair. So the next thing we are going to be doing is melting our butter, our shea butter, of course. So we are going to melt our butter using the double boil method. I'm not going to put the water on fire, I'm just going to put hot water like I just did. That was hot water. Put my my shea butter inside and let it melt. Then guys, if you've watched the video up to this point, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, give me a like, share, leave a comment down in the comment section. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any video, so you can watch more of my videos and grow your hair from home and minimize the use of foreign products on your hair. Most of products made in Africa are made from these products, so they are good for your hair. If you cannot afford them, then this channel is for you to learn new, authentic and organic products for your hair. Learn DIYs for your hair. I don't know why I'm talking so much. So what we are doing right now is melting our our shea butter. I don't know why I keep saying coconut milk. Melt our shea butter. Now that our shea butter is ready, all we are going to do is add our coconut oil. The coconut oil we just did, we are going to add it to it and then mix it. They are already liquid, so you just mix it to be sure that it's well mixed. One of the things I like about shea butter is its ability to just leave your hair shiny and soft. If you've not been using shea butter, on your hair, you are missing a lot. You are really missing a lot, because most of the products you buy from outside are made of shea butter. So why can't you use the raw shea butter that has no chemical? Let me explain. The shea butter I'm using here has no chemical, nothing inside, just the raw shea butter. So guys, if I'll say it again, if you've watched up to this, please at this point, give me a like, comment, leave a thumb up, give me a thumb up, leave a comment, and share this video to people that you think need to grow their hair, people that are suffering from dandruff, the people that are suffering from breakage. Please share it to them so they can also learn how to do some simple homemade products for their hair. So we've added our moringa oil until my ancestors are actually begging me that it's okay. No measurement, I just added as much as I wanted, then pour it in the bowl that I wanted, in the container. Please don't laugh at me. Freeze it, and this is how it looks like. Very green. You can see it looks green. This is actually the color, and when it defreezes, it's very soft. It's not hard. When it defreezes, it's soft and easy to apply on your hair. So guys, this is all I have for you today. Until I see you guys in my next video. Bye.